Kaya natin nasasabi lahat na merong controlling the narrative ay dahil pinipili nila kung ano yung gusto nila imbestigahan. At kung napapansin nyo, kapag medyo tatamaan na o merong tatamaan o tatamaan na talaga ang Office of the President, ang administrasyon sa investigasyon, ay biglang namamatay yung investigasyon. Kung nawawala, kung nalilibing, kung nalulubog yung investigasyon. So, ibig sabihin, meron talagang pagkontrol sa kwento.
Ma'am Queenie.
Alright. Buenas tardes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Is it true that the family of the blogger who posted a picture of PBBM captioned headshot approached you and is asking for help, but you allegedly turned them down?
No, ma'am. I never received a request for help from the family of the vlogger. And it's highly unlikely, ma'am, for us to say no, because if it's this is a matter of legal assistance, ma'am, no, because there is a case. So usually we refer it for legal advice kung meron ng abogado. So very unlikely na umindi yung Office of the Vice President. Kasi ang protocol o ang SOP namin sa opisina na kapag merong lumapit ng tulong at example, pag-assess ng tao, legal problem siya, ay hinahanapan siya or pinapartner siya sa kung sino yung abogado na pwedeng magbigay ng legal advice.